course, talaga sa farming, kailangan talaga siya ng math. Yun yung question ko noon na sa farm, kung nagagamit ba natin ang mga pinag-aralan natin. Nagagamit talaga siya, guys. Kasi plus minus, so kailangan mga yan, multiplication, nagagamit. So sabi ko sa inyo, ang feed requirement ng aming mga baka per day is 18 kg dry matter per cow. Sa half day, 9 kg dry matter per cow. So yung night feeding na ginawa natin is only 9 kg dry matter per cow. Ang requirements na kailangan nating i-meet is 212 metabolized energy. Metabolized energy naman ng grass is average of 12.5. So multiply 18 kg dry matter per cow times the metabolized energy of grass, which is average 12.5. That's equivalent to 225 megajoule per kilogram dry matter. And then, because meron tayong feed utilization, kailangan natin laging bigay ng margin na 15%. So, in order to meet the good quality production, so the 15% will be minus on the metabolized energy na required ng mga baka para ma-meet natin ang kanilang feed requirement. Ngayon, na-meet natin ang 212 metabolized energy. Dahil good quality yung pinakain natin sa night feeding, nakita natin yung production natin na tumaas, so it means na-sustain natin yung feed requirement ng mga baka natin. Kasi in order to produce a good quality and high production of milk, importante yung feeding. Kasi pag mag-sacrifice na ang body condition ng baka, dun yung poor production ng milk and of course, poor quality of milk. We will save this for silage, but we decide na to sacrifice this to see the effect on the cow itself and sa production. So I think guys, successful naman yung plan and na-meet talaga natin yung requirements na plinano natin. So ngayon, ihagilin ko ulit ang paddock na ito sa 1 hectare para mamayang gabi, itong kakainin ng mga baka, at least they meet again the requirements na 9 kg dry matter per cow ang kakainin nila mamayang gabi. So as I discussed earlier guys, di ba sabi ko dapat electrified yung reel. So electrified nga siya kasi hindi sila nakatawid. So ngayon, i-prepare ko na uli yung ating night feeding. Instead of having lunch, I will prepare this na muna. Kasi ang purpose is para makita ko yung residual. So that I can decide kung bibigyan ko pa ba sila ng